So I picked up these RoadShock LEDs from Harbor Freight. They're the 3-inch flood. Now, before I did the lift, I actually had these guys mounted down here, but I've since cut off that plastic dam. And when we were out snow wheeling last weekend, one of these lights got knocked back from a snow dam. So my plan was to figure out a spot to put them. Originally, I was thinking about, getting the plate that goes here and mounting them in the light there. But I saw another video where somebody had done something similar and mounted them up to this fiberglass support bracket. But in playing with it, I actually kind of found that this grill, if you actually just cut out this lower part of the grill here, these lights will actually feed right through there. And then what I did, I just had some Delrin plastic blocks laying around. I'm not sure the measurement on this, but with a hole drilled right there, and this block mounted in there like that, this light actually sits perfect right where that spot in the cutout is. So I'm gonna get to cutting the rest of that other grill out and getting these lights mounted up, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's all done. So went down to the store, picked up some 5/16 bolts, some washers and some lock washers and some nuts. So I'm going to get a couple of these installed. Basically what I did here, just run the bolt through one. And these will have some room to move side by side. Luckily, like I said, this Delrin block, where I'm actually mounting it at on this front cross member here, is actually the perfect height to get this light right where it needs to be to fit in this grill pocket. So, I do have a little bit of room to move this left to right, so I can come back afterwards. I'm just going to leave that loose so that I can move that side to side. So we'll get that one done there. And I'll get this one done here. I just got to drill another hole down here, measure that, and we'll get these put in. So now that I got these mounted up in here, nice thing I like about the Delrin block too is it's not touching the condenser here, but it's close enough where if that was a piece of metal or square stock, it could potentially rub through that. So I've got them loosely fitted in there now, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten those up and do a test fit on the grill and see where we're at. Let's go for a first test fit. Still got them in there loose, just sitting on the blocks. Just want to make sure everything lines up. Like I said, this might not be everybody's style, but I didn't want them hanging down low. So I do kind of like the look of having those floods in the grill, and kind of like I said, just keeping everything clean. So I'm gonna get everything all buttoned up. I am spliced into the factory fog light wiring already, so I'm just gonna run those down there, zip tie those wires back, get these things tightened down, get the headlight bezels back on them, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm all done. Yep, so pretty happy how those turned out. Looks like a nice factory fit and finish in there. Didn't have to booger anything up too much. Puts them right where I want them. So appreciate it. Enjoy.